In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy all PowerPoint 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know how to copy every slide from one presentation and move it into a brand new file using PowerPoint on the web quickly and without breaking your formatting. First, open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. Click the official Microsoft PowerPoint link so you land on the PowerPoint homepage. We're using PowerPoint for the web here, but the idea is the same if you prefer the desktop app. Before you do anything else, sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're in the correct account that holds the presentation you want to copy. If you use multiple accounts for work and personal files, double check the profile in the upper right corner so you don't end up in the wrong place. Next, find and open the presentation you want to copy. Click it to load the file. Once it opens, look to the left where you see the slide thumbnails. Click any one slide in that list to make sure the slide pane is active. Now press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all slides at once. On a Mac, that's Command+. You should see every slide highlighted, which confirms they're all selected. If they aren't, click a slide thumbnail again and repeat the shortcut. With all slides selected, right-click on any of the highlighted thumbnails to open the context menu, then choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+C or Command+C does the same thing. Now go back to the PowerPoint homepage. From there, choose Create Blank Presentation. This opens a fresh file with a single title slide. Using a blank file avoids any overlap or accidental replacements and gives you a clean destination for your copied slides. Click the first slide in the new presentation and right-click in the slide thumbnail area on the left. This tells PowerPoint exactly where to paste your slides so they appear in the correct order, starting at the top. Finally, click Paste. You'll see all the slides from your original deck appear in the new file. If you notice theme or color differences, look for paste options that may appear. Keep source formatting preserves the original look, while Use Destination Theme matches the new file's design. That choice can help maintain consistency across your presentations. That's it, your slides are copied over. PowerPoint for the web auto-saves to your cloud storage, so your new file is safe. You can now edit, reorganize, or share it as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined PowerPoint workflow.